Hi, this is Mr. Mark, and I'm going to show you how to use the Scribbr APA citation generator so you can properly cite sources that you use in your projects for school. So if you see here, I have the APA citation generator website open, and the first thing we're going to do is create a new list. And the list is going to be whatever project it is you're working on. For example, I'm working on a project for a computer class. So I type that in there, and I'll be using out of the citation style either the 6th or the 7th edition. Always go with the latest edition. So we're using the 7th edition, language English, Times New Roman size 12, and we're going to click, well, the font that we're going to use should be dependent on the type of medium that we're working on. If I was working in a document, it might be Times New Roman size 12, but since we're working on a website, it should be Arial, I think, because that's easier to read on a website. So let's create the new list just like that, and then we're going to have the go find our source. Now I had a student turn in this here as a citation, which is she's on the right track, but it's not the right source. So what we need to do is copy that link and see where that link goes. So when I click on this link, it redirects and it takes me to a website. Here's the website, and here's the document the person wants to use. So I'm going to go up here and grab this here, and then I'm going to take it back to the APA citation generator. Now, normally I prefer a source that has an author and a date, so please keep that in mind. In fact, let's just go ahead and do that. Let's go search for vector versus raster. Just like that. And let's look for something that has an author to it. An author would be a name of a person. Nope, that's not it. Shutterstock. Does it have an author? Yes, Alex Clinton. Raster versus vector. What's the difference and when to use it? So this looks like a great website. So I'm going to copy this here, and I'm going to go back to the APA citation generator and click website, because that's what I'm looking for. Now, if you're looking for a YouTube video, you need to check one of the other types of sources. So select a source type. This is what's shown on the other page, and I'm going to scroll down here to where it says YouTube video, and this is where you enter a YouTube video. That's not what we're looking at. So we're going to go back one to the website, because that's what we're doing. So I click Shutterstock, I add it, and it'll bring up a button. All you have to do is press it. That's the one we want. And then automatically it imports all the data. Raster versus vector is the title. There's the URL. There's the author's first name, initial, and the last name. There's the date it was written, and now all I have to do is put 24 for the day, 1 for the month, and 2022 for the year, and then cite source. And there's my source. So you just click it once and it's copied, and then you add this to your web page, wherever your web page is at. So do I have access to this? I do. So all I do is convert it over to this page, and I paste it in there. So that's not right. So let me just go ahead and put it here, and I'm just going to adopt the Google Sites formatting. So I'm going to push Control Shift and then V, and then it puts it in like that. Another thing that I like to do on websites is give it a bullet point, because that really makes it stand out. And there you go. That's how you do it. If you got any questions, send me an email at mhafner@nis.ac.th. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.